for today's very quick video. Here is a drawing that I did of Purple Haze when I was on her podcast a few weeks ago, actually. I finally got around to it, and this one I did with pencil. But before we get started, consider hitting the like button, ring that bell, and leaving a comment. So, let's get to it. So when I drew this in my medium-sized sketchbook, Purple was wearing some glasses, and I know she mentioned that she should have taken them off. So you know what? I decided to use the reference photo that she has for her Purple Haze podcast picture that she had. So I erased her glasses and just started using different pencils to make this a little bit more realistic and start adding a lot of shadows, mid-tones, and for the last thing that I did, I was blending in all of the pencil, the graphite with these shader pencils, and it didn't take me long. Everything here took probably under 1 hour to do. It was pretty cool that during our live stream podcast, I drew that in under probably for sure less than 10 minutes. It was just a very quick sketch. And this one, although I could have taken a lot longer to do, I still decided to make this as realistic as possible by smoothing things out in her skin and adding all those shadows. But I thought it turned out really well for something that it wasn't too huge for it being around an hour that I put into it. So I'm going to leave you guys with this time-lapse video and thank you for watching. And just make sure to go ahead and check out Purple Haze's podcast. She is a gamer and she has a lot of great content. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.